Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we're learning all about the rule of Laam in reading Allah's name. So we'll start off by writing it. So we have a Alif, Laam, another Laam, and Ha. That's terrible. Let me try that again. So Alif, Laam, Laam, and then a Ha. So these are the four letters that make up Allah, the way that it's normally traditionally written. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. You've got Alif, Lam, Lam, and Ha. The second Lam here is the one that has the Shadda. So we'll put the Shadda there. And it's got a standing Fatha as well. Okay. Now if the letter before that Lam, whichever letter has a Haraka before that Lam has a Fatha, so let's say this Alif has a Fatha, then this Lam, the one with the Shadda, will be recited full mouth. And the stretch will also be recited full mouth. The rule is that when you have a full mouth letter, if it has a standing Fatha, then the stretch will be recited full mouth. If it has a Fatha and followed by a Alif, again the 1 second stretch will be recited full mouth. So here, Allah, Allah. Okay. Now if we change the Fatha to a Kasra, now this Lam in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, the one with the Shadda, will be recited empty mouth. For example, Alhamdulillah. Sorry, that's not a very good example. Let's just use this one here. Illa, because we've got a Hamza here now. Illa, illa. So your mouth is flat. There's no fullness at all. Almost smiling. Illa. Well, you will be smiling because you've just read a kasra. Illa. Okay. And if we change to a dhamma before that lam in Allah's name, then it will be recited full mouth again. So it's Allah, Allah, Allah. Okay. What happens, because there's been a little bit of confusion about what happens if, let's just say, you haven't got this Alif here or Hamza, whichever way you want to look at it. What if this letter here has a Fatha? Then what do you read? Well, this Lam is the letter before the Lam in Allah's name, the one with the Shadda. So it comes before that. So you look at it, you say, oh, it's got Fatha. So that means Allah's name will be recited full mouth. So it becomes Lallah, Lallah, Lallah. If that Lam has a Kasra, then it will be recited empty mouth. Lillah, Lillah, Lillah. Okay, and if that Lam has a Dhamma, then again it will become full mouth. Lullah, Lullah, Lullah. Okay, and that can that is the rule regardless of which letter comes before. Like for example, if we have let's say we have a Ra here before Allah's name and the Ra has a Fatha, so it'll be Arallah. If it has a Kasra, it'll be Rillah. And if it has a Dhamma, it'll be Rullah. Let's change the letter again. Let's say it's I don't know, Noon, Fatha, Nallah, Nillah, Nullah. So the rule stays the same. Fatha or Kasra, Fatha or Dhamma, sorry, before Allah's name, it will be read full mouth. And if it's a Kasra before Allah's name, it will be read empty mouth.